Welcome to Livenormad, where customizing your dream home is made easy, affordable, and inspiring. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to place an order and explore all the powerful features that make Livenormad your ultimate destination for your custom furniture and wall paneling. Let's dive in. Start by browsing through our flipbooks. Each page is packed with stunning furniture options. Once you find what you love, simply click Add to Cart. Don't forget to enter the product number and page number into the pill-shaped input above the flipbook. Use the color selection tool to customize finishes to your taste. Use the additional description text box to provide extra details like size, choice of material color, and anything else you think we should know. Need something unique? Use our custom service to submit designs you've seen online. Upload an image, select your material and color preferences. Use the additional text box to provide more details. Upload an image of the description section of the item if you found it elsewhere online, and submit. One item is all you need to get started. Use this feature to submit your items one at a time. To review your selections, head to your cart. You can easily delete items or update them before moving forward. It's all in your control. Want something quicker? Explore our ready-to-ship section for panels, wall accessories, and other furniture that ship out fast. Add your favorites directly to your cart. No customization needed. Need help designing your space? Request a session with one of our in-house interior designers. It's completely free. Or invite your own designer to select and curate items directly from your dashboard. When you're done shopping, click on the Submit Quote Request button. We'll send you a detailed quote, including shipping, taxes, and timelines, straight to your dashboard and email. Once your quote is processed and deposit received, you'll be asked to confirm your material selections. Use the interactive confirmation panel to approve colors, fabrics, or any changes before production begins. All through the course of production, You will be receiving weekly updates directly from our production team, giving you peace of mind while you wait for your items to get to you. When your items are ready, we'll upload final images to your dashboard. You can view them in full detail and even share them with friends and family for feedback. Love what you see? Make your final payment directly from your dashboard to trigger shipping. We'll handle the rest, from packaging to delivery at your doorstep. Your dashboard is your central hub. Track your orders, communicate with our team, and receive real-time updates, all in one place. And that's it. From discovery to delivery, Livenormad makes it seamless, stylish, and stress-free. Start building your dream space today at Livenormad.com.